Bacon brown sugar chicken tenders recipe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Food and Fun. Today, you've got a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for parties, game days, or just a delicious dinner. We're making bacon brown sugar chicken tenders. That's right, the sweetness of brown sugar, the smokiness of bacon, and the tenderness of chicken all wrapped into one amazing dish. So let's get started. Recipe steps. First things first, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees. While that's heating up, set a wire rack on a baking sheet and set it aside. Next, we'll mix up our spices. Combine 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a small bowl. Now it's time to season our chicken tenders. Sprinkle the spice mix evenly over 1 pound of chicken tenders, making sure they're well coated. Let's bring in the bacon. Cut your 1 pound of bacon slices in half. You'll want the length to be about the same as the chicken tenders. Time for the fun part, wrapping the chicken. Take each seasoned chicken tender and wrap it with a half slice of bacon. Roll those bacon-wrapped beauties in 1 cup of brown sugar, ensuring they get a nice, sweet coating. Place your wrapped and coated chicken tenders onto the wire rack on your baking sheet. Once the oven is ready, bake these tenders for 25 to 30 minutes or until the bacon is crispy and the chicken is cooked through. For an extra touch of crispiness, you can also broil them for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, but keep an eye on them to avoid burning. And there you have it, folks. Delicious bacon brown sugar chicken tenders. Let them cool for a couple of minutes before diving in. They're perfect for dipping, but honestly, they're so good you might want to enjoy them just as they are. Thank you for tuning in to Food and Fun. If you tried this recipe, be sure to let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.